Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to do to come more in alignment with and connect more with your intuition. And the Four of Pentacles came through and that's all about letting go. So interestingly enough, the message that I'm getting here is getting out of that lack mentality and that holding on mentality. And I feel like there's so much you're holding on to, and that's actually blocking your intuition from coming through because you're holding on to all these old emotions, belief systems, grudges, resentments, and stresses as well, and anxiety, and it's blocking your intuition from being able to come through. You're holding on so tightly to all of this stuff that it's actually making your body tense as well. Because you see, intuition comes through a relaxed body. It comes through when you're open to receiving the messages from your intuitive guidance. And so when you're holding on to all this stuff, you are blocking that flow. You are blocking your energy. And then I asked for clarification on this card, and I got the King of Cups came through again, which is interesting because it came through in the last reading as well. And that's all about the emotions. So that tells me that you're holding on to all these stresses and anxieties and all that, which are relating to emotions. And the emotions, the clogged up emotions, the held in emotions, the repressed emotions are what are blocking the flow of the energy and blocking the flow of your connection with your intuition. So you need to release these. There's many different ways you can release it. There's many different ways you can acknowledge it. You can journal it out. You can tap it out, EFT tapping. There's many ways you can release this. And so if you want to connect more with your intuition, what you need to do is release all the pent-up energies, suppressed energies and emotions, and that will connect you more in with your intuition, and you'll be able to hear that intuitive voice within you. Alrighty, let me know if this has been helpful and if this resonates. Also, make sure you hit the like so I know that you're enjoying this and I can bring you more. And subscribe and hit the bell notification because that's when you'll be notified. Sorry, I can't even get that out, of when I put out new readings and videos. Alrighty, hope you have a good one. Bye.